We used to have a big willow tree here. I really love that tree. But the birds made their nest inside, and from that day on it started to rot away. So we had to cut down the tree. Anyway, we're left with a big piece of wood now. I decided to carve a French Bulldog out of it. I will first make a square out of this wood, a box. I made some stencils of the dog and I will spray paint it onto the wood. Using a chainsaw can be dangerous, so when using one, please be very careful. The stencil makes it a very easy guideline. I just follow the lines until the dog appears. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.